Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if when you're attempting to run a Windows update, it says that something went wrong, try reopening settings later. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Open up the Start menu, right click on the setting gear icon on the left side, and then select More, then select App Settings. You want to scroll down underneath Reset. If this app isn't working right, reset it. This app's data will be deleted. Go ahead and select the Reset button and then select Reset. And once that is done, next thing I'd recommend doing would be to open up the Start menu, type in Troubleshoot. Best result should come back with Troubleshoot Settings. Go ahead and left click on that. You want to select Additional Troubleshooters. And then you want to select the Windows Update, resolve problems that prevent you from updating Windows, and then select Run the Troubleshooter. Okay, so once it's done, it should say fixed hopefully. I would restart your computer and then attempt to check for updates and see if that has resolved the problem. One further thing you can try after all of that is run a system file checker utility scan. And in order to do that, you would just open up the Start menu, type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. You want to right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select Yes. Now into this elevated command line window, you want to type in SFC followed by a space /scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so fortunately did not find anything at this point. So again, I would recommend restarting your computer nonetheless, and then hopefully your issue should have been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.